Hey guys, in this video we are going to be opening this box up. It is a very nice Xiaomi cordless vacuum cleaner, and we'll just open it up. And here the vacuum cleaner is. So looks like this is a rod. Very nice. And we have in here the rest of the stuff. So wow, everything is, these are some accessories. This looks like the machine. Everything here is packed very nicely, I must say. Okay, so this is the big machine. Looks very nice. And let's, wow. Okay, so there are a lot of little stuff here. Screws. This looks like a wall adapter, power, whatever. We'll go into everything in depth. Now we're just taking everything out. This is also, whoa, heavy. This looks like a battery, maybe? Yes, I was right. This is a battery. It is a lithium power battery, which looks very nice. Last thing is another attachment. Oh, there's a couple. So this is a mini cleaner thing, and there's the bigger one. Wow, just saying, this packet is really nice, and the whole set is nicely priced. It's not cheap, but it's definitely not crazy. Okay, so let's go when everything is cleaner. Okay guys, so over here we have sort of, hope that they have your non-Chinese, English, nope, everything in Chinese. That's okay. So, overall it looks like it comes with a ton of stuff. Charger, great. Tons of booklets that you don't really need, great. Like you might need, I don't know. These, they look like they come with a protector thing that you should be able to just take off. I think that is just for packaging purposes. Okay guys, so we are into it. Let's go. So now that we have touched it up a bit more, we have this. All you're gonna need to do is take this, slide it in just like this. Boom, hear the click. Now you press over here on the red button for it to start. Okay, now, there also is a very cool feature, which is called Turbo Boost, which could be that I just turned on right now. I'm not really sure. I don't think so, and I'll figure out how to turn it on in a little while. But in the meantime, I want to show you guys some cool features. You may also do something, oh, sorry, this is for the rest of the stuff. So, no, is it? Let me just check. Yes, it is. So what you can do, should be able to do, is press here and then click in pretty much whatever you want. And then to take it out, either go like that, should be able to, no, that's it. Okay, so to take it out, just press here, and now should work like this. To clean, pretty much understandable, very cool to take it out. Just go like that, and you see here we have a bigger one, which is very nice. Okay, now we have this tube. Right, let's get him off. Now we have this very nice tube, which is pretty much an extension. So all you need to do is use it as an extension, and you can go like this. So what's actually very nice about this, you can see it does use electricity. That meaning, these aren't just random things that you put air into, you're actually putting electricity for this to spin, and then air is pulling in through here. So it's not just like these, which it's just air, it's actually moving electricity. Very nice. Okay, Now this, here when you want to put one of these, all you're going to need to do is align it. Very nice. Okay. Good enough. And now to take it out, I think all you need to do is go like that. Now the turbo. So you press here normal, and then for turbo, you just need to press that. Yes, it is crazy strong. Now, the times on these, you should get a bit more than on normal than turbo, but on turbo you get about 10 minutes of power, which should be plenty because turbo is really strong, so you can use the other settings. So again here, just press turbo once it's already on for turbo. And obviously you can use this, not obviously, but very cool. You can actually use this when it's still plugged in. So just plug this in like this, align it, and then keep this in the wall if you want, and you can have a wired working machine. Okay, so I just want to show you guys now the build quality of this. So almost all of it is plastic, which is okay, but I still like it, and it looks like it has a ton of features. Looks very nice. So you can clip it on like here if you need like this. This is more for like screens, and then you just press these two buttons and pull it back if you just want to use air normally, but you still want to get into a tighter space, which looks very useful. Well, and you can put it in the middle, which is, I don't know for what. Okay, now let's get into the pros and cons. So, first con, again, plastic like I was saying, but it's a really nice price point, and pretty much plastic, it is a con, but I like the rest. So this is another pro. This tube actually, see here the electricity port, and then give that electricity for one of these, so you can pretty much use that as a more traditional style vacuum cleaner, which I think is a really nice pro. I don't really have any more cons for it. Let's go into the pros. It comes with a ton of different interchangeable, mounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 of these are really nice ones that are used for like carpets, I guess. And they're really built nice, and they're very bulky, like heavy good, like not heavy in a bad way. And I think everything looks amazing. I don't think that looks bad. I think everything looks really nice. It feels good and sturdy in the hand. I really do like the spin on these. They look just like they'll do a good job. And really, everything just looks amazing. I can't wait to use this more. And maybe if we get like 15 likes, do a more in-depth review. But I think for now, wow, this gets really good here. You can see it gets really far. It's really nice. So I think for the meantime, see you guys next time. Fine for gaming. If you want to see an in-depth video, 15 likes and I'll show you an in-depth video. This stand also looks really nice, and you can something with a screw in there. I don't know what that's for. See you guys next time. I really like this. Gets it good on my books. Bye.